Okay, in this software, I'm going to show you how you can make a slide-out menu that is mobile style, and it will work fine on a mobile phone as well as in tablets and on your main site. So there's just a few things you need to fill out here. The distance from the top of the screen in pixels that the menu icon opens. So on the top of the screen, there'll be a little square button you've probably seen on mobile sites, and when you tap that on a mobile phone, it extends the menu. Same when you click on it on a regular website. So this is the number of pixels down from the top. So you can place this as far down as you want. Usually there's a header up top, so I like to keep it within the header if possible or just under it. So I'm going to change this to 15. Okay, next. Okay, now you can position the menu either on the left or on the right. So pick your choice there. Usually it's on the left. The width of the menu open icon in pixels. This is the little icon, little square that you tap on. So usually between 10 and 20 is good. I'm going to set it at 15. Okay, select the number of links that you want on your menu. Okay, so in your navigation menu, you can have up to 10 links. I'm just going to use 2. Okay, so the link for your first menu, so I'm going to say yahoo.com. And then the text that you click on, so I'll say Yahoo. Okay, second link, I'll go google.com. And then here we'll put Google. Okay, so it's generating. Okay, so we can see what it looks like by clicking here. So this will bring up another page and it'll show us what it's going to do in the browser. So let's click on that. Okay, here it is. And here's a little icon I was telling you about that we were setting the size for. So if I click on that, out pops the navigation menu. Here's our links. This little X closes it again. So on a mobile phone, you would just tap on it. Okay, so there's what it looks like. Now, to implement it in your site, you need to get the code here. Let's go back one step first. We need to download 2 files. So we'll right click and then we're going to do save target as. Okay, and I have a test directory that I'm putting it in here. So we'll save it in there. Okay, and then same here. Save target as for file 2. Okay, now we can go get the code for the website here. So here's the instructions. Place the code below in the head section of your page. So between the equal signs. So we'll grab all of this between the equal signs and copy. Okay, now we'll open up our website here. Okay, so we'll open this. I'm just going to use Notepad, but you can open it with whatever you like. You can use a web editor. So I'm going to say Notepad. Okay, and then we need it in the header just above the slash head here. It is here. Okay, so we're just going to put it right there. Let's paste it in. Okay, back to the instructions. Now, put this code right under the body tag. Okay, so between here and here. So copy back to our website here. And just below the body tag. So here's our body style. So we'll just go past all this here. Okay, so we'll put it right here. Usually, most times, you're just going to have a tag that says body and that's all, but this has got a lot more in it than you sometimes see. A lot of times you just see body and then with a closing bracket there. Okay, so let's paste that in there. Okay, and then back to here, and it says here, your main website content must be wrapped in this section. So what that means is we have to take this div tag and the closing div tag and put everything within it. Okay, so we'll go back, and then we're going to want right under where we just pasted this, we'll put this in. Okay, so there's the opening div, and then the closing div is going to go right at the bottom, right above the body tag. Okay, so right here, and we put the closing div tag. Okay, let's save this. All right, now let's open it up. Okay, so here's our little menu thing over here. Click that. Okay, you see it pushed our content over. There's our links. Close. There it goes. Okay, so that's how you use the software to build a mobile styled slide out window.